Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bass boost in Capcut. So here, what you need to do is just add the audio. In this case, I'm going to extract the audio from this clip. Okay, now extracting. Now you can just if you want to add like a bass boost in Capcut, what you need to do is just copy the audio for like minimum 3 times. So I'm going to split the audio here, for example. Then I'm going to copy this part and put it under the main audio. So you need to copy it at least 3 times. Copy again, put it under. Okay, now for the 3rd time. So this is the trick in Capcut if you want to add or create bass boost. Okay, so now your video will have that bass boost effect, but it might not perfect, but you can try this trick. And I cannot play the audio how it sounds because I don't want to get copyrighted. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.